light, I just want to begin with this saying, the one who walks in light will never stumble. The one who walks in light will never stumble. Dear students, we hear a lot about the celebrations, very especially the festival of light. And the festival of light removes the darkness. It is only the light can overpower darkness. No other thing can do that. It's only the light that can overpower the darkness. So this celebration of Diwali reminds us that what is dark in me to be removed. That is, maybe I have a habit of telling lies, bluffing parents, teachers. These are the dark side of my life, and most often we like to follow the darkest part of our life. Very especially with the young generation, they like to follow what others do. Even if you know I am doing wrong. So the moment you do that, believe me that you are in darkness. You have ignored the light and you have chosen darkness as your best friend. So any evil that is happening in the society, it is because people are embracing darkness. They do not want to embrace light. Light illumines your mind, heart and soul, whereas darkness brings you back to doing evil things. So this festival of light should remind you what is not good in you to be given up. What is good that need to be cared for and multiply it so that you become the beacon of light. A ray of hope in the society where there is darkness. And that is what you are sent to the schools, to fill your mind and heart with wisdom, knowledge and understanding so that you are able to remove the darkness that is existing in the society. Though you are small, in your own way you are able to lead others to light. So you become the leader for others, whether you are small or big, young or old. When we embrace light, we are able to lead and guide others to light, and light represents God Himself. And I am sure all of us believe in God who created us, who is the author of light. There is no other power other than God. So these celebrations invite me and you to choose the right path, make the right choices. As class 9 has given us enough thought for the day and enough reflections, why don't we celebrate this festival of Diwali as Green Diwali? I am sure some of you might have smiled when you heard about Green Diwali. Yes or no? I would suggest you, if you want to make this environment green, and if you want to live in an environment which is freed from pollution, darkness, you need to choose the other way, which is Green Diwali. I would suggest each one of you, instead of offering the gift packet, give to your family members, whomsoever you are distributing the sweet. Instead of the sweet, give them a sapling. Because in today's world, everybody has got sugar. All may not be able to eat sweets. So therefore what you can do, this assembly you are taking it forward and you make up your mind, this festival I am going to gift my friend, my neighbor a sapling. That's how I impart what I have done here. Here we have learned the theory, now we have to do the activity outside. Is it possible?
Yes.
And I think one sapling costs maximum, if you go also, 150, 150, 200, 250. And the sweet is, they are very costly. I am not telling you should not eat sweet, but gift a sapling. You make it sure that from your family, after the impact of this assembly, everybody should suggest your parents to give one sapling along with the sweet if you want to give. Is it possible?
Yes, sister.
Any very feeble voice? You should do it joyfully. Then we celebrate this festival of light, and we can say that we have celebrated Green Diwali. So all the best. God bless you. Have a wonderful celebration. Keep this mind that you are going to celebrate the Green Diwali. Few important announcement.